Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your data. Back up everything you need and verify the copy. Once done, make a bootable USB using a reliable tool. That USB will run the utility to remove Windows. You need to change boot order in BIOS or UEFI so the machine boots the USB. If secure boot prevents the tool, temporarily disable it. Start the system from the USB now. This gets you directly into a safe environment to remove Windows without booting the installed OS. You must verify the correct drive before you act, double-check size and device ID to avoid wiping the wrong disk. Next, pick a wipe method. A quick format removes file system records, a full overwrite writes zeros, and multi-pass patterns increase irrecoverability. Choose based on need. Then run the selected utility or command and watch its progress. Make sure to keep the system powered. An interrupted wipe can leave data partially overwritten and complicate recovery. Stay focused until the process finishes. Once the wipe completes, reinitialize the drive. Create partitions and format with your chosen file system, selecting GPT for modern systems or MBR if needed. Make sure the Windows installation is gone by scanning for recoverable files or inspecting raw sectors. If the drive does not appear or the system won't boot from new media, troubleshoot hardware. Reset cables, try a different port or adapter, and run the drive maker's diagnostics. If recovery tools still find fragments, repeat a secure overwrite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.